Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by meeting the core prerequisites. Be level 100 or higher and allocate one half of your build into melee or sword so Azure Ember scales. Once done, locate the vendor or boss that drops Azure Ember. Make sure to monitor spawn timers and server population. Buy or pick up the item immediately, then equip it and configure your hotkeys. This saves seconds in combat. You'll want basic Hacky ready to maximize uptime and damage when you first test a combo. You now focus on the core execution. Start combos with 2 light attacks, then slot the Azure Ember skill to lock stagger. This pattern preserves flow. Once you nail timing, integrate dash and jump cancels. These reposition you while extending hit confirm windows, and they exploit the skill's vertical and area of effect frames. Make sure to activate Hacky or coordinate teammate crowd control to open double damage windows. Practicing the rhythm in a training zone will make the combo muscle memory, improving DPS and survivability in fights. You finish combats by baiting a block or roll, then punishing with the Azure Ember finisher to capitalize on stagger. Conserve stamina so you can repeat this sequence. Once competent, grind item experience by repeated usage and prioritize upgrades that boost elemental damage and cooldown reduction. If you encounter lag or input delays, test your ping, rebind problematic keys to reduce finger travel, and clear local scripts or UI clutter. This usually resolves missed activations. Keep practicing. Small fixes yield
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.